the panelists, advisors, especially to our co-researchers who attended this virtual conversation. We are North Indians. So, good afternoon everyone.
2025 since nagkaroon kami ng grouping sa National Yan course. No destination, no place to go. So we decided to travel where we'd study. At National University Fairview, we don't wait to memories to come. We followed it. Bumili kami ng chopper for our trip. So ecstatic when it arrives. Tsaka, para mapadali na din makahanap ng NU students. NU students! Yes, ng National Yans. Bakit nga ba? Go! Naatasan kami na gumawa ng vlog na tinatawag na Finish the Lyrics. This is to complete the missing lyrics of the song, the NU Hymn. The goal is to capture genuine and entertaining reactions of National Yans.
Hi everyone, my name is Fatima May Esasahar.
And I am Kate Tubong Banwa.
Today we are going to interview this guy. So, ano pong name and section?
So, my name is Richard PJ Zigzag from Marketing Management.
So, kuya, isa ka po bang tunay na national yan? If hindi po, babay po.
Of course naman.
Joke lang po. So, yes.
Sahol na po kayo.
So, simple lang po yung instruction. So, kakanta po kami ng praise na NU hymn, then kayo po yung mag-finish.
1, 2, 3, I pledge
My life and honor
To team, my...
matter.
Yes! Galing mo na!
Prize! Hi everyone, we have this beautiful day. So now, mag-interview po kami about Finish the Lyrics. True national hymn. Golden ka po ba talaga? Sahol na. So, since makakagawa kami ng segment, tayo po mag-finish the lyrics. Today, we have this beautiful evening na ulit. So, ayun, gagawin mo namin is finish the lyrics po about NU hymn. True national po ba kayo?
Yes.
Bulldog po ba?
Bulldog!
So, ayun po, kakanta po kami and you're going to finish the lyrics po.
I shall defend thy goodness.
What? Ang galing! I'll try to bring
Be more faith.
what?
Hello everyone, we're here with this beautiful lady. So I want to share and share So, this is isa po ba kayo international yan? O hindi? Yeah. So, meron po kami simple instruction. So, ang gagawin lang po natin is kakanta po kami ng praise song na NU hymn and kayo po mag-finish na rin.
One, two, three. I'm so grateful. Yes!
Hi everyone, so we are with, I'm Bea Peña-Florida. And what's your first name? I'm from architecture.
Today, ang gagawin po natin ay kakanta kami ng NU hymn. And habang kinakanta namin, ibibigay namin sa yung mikropono. Tapos, i-finish mo yung lyrics. Okay ba? Gara ba yun?
Sa isang katanungan muna ate, are you a true nationality?
Of course. Well, ako.
Okay.
Ashobaiti.
Gold and blue, the colors of national you.
Yeah!
Hi guys! Wala pong pumipili sa akin.